Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Ford remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to remove this cover here to gain access to the battery. So we put the key fob blade into the upright position, and now you can just see inside the fob, just here, there's a little clip that you need to just press on the clip and unclip it, which removes the cover from the top. Let me just demonstrate. So you get your little flathead screwdriver, and on the clip, you just press it, and there you go. You just remove the cover, just as simple as that. And there is your key fob battery. So you just get your little screwdriver again, you get underneath it, and you just remove it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new battery and we just pop it back into the housing. We're making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it back together. So you get the cover, you make sure it all lines up, and you just click it in place. And there you go. It's all done.